The finance minister is currently holding pre-budget consultations with state finance ministers ahead of tomorrow's crucial GST Council meeting. Let's now go over to Shrimi for the latest updates on this developing story.
Yeah, hi. So, of course, the finance minister, as a part of budget exercise, holding a pre-budget consultation with all the finance minister of states, where states are pitching for innovations, job creation, manufacturing, and how to sort of ensure the economic stability and also the overall growth. In fact, some of these states may also pitch for financial package like the government did in the July budget in case of Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Also, this particular meeting is important and imperative because this is coming soon after the election outcome of some of these states. Beside on the tomorrow's GST agenda, it's action-packed agenda on the table of GST Council. I'll give 4 to 5 top agenda which GST Council is supposed to consider in its tomorrow meeting. One of those is, of course, the GST rate rationalization, which GOM is suggested to have a special rate for sin goods and some of the luxury item. In fact, they are suggesting to expand the 28% bracket. However, there is no suggestion in terms of changing the current slab, which is 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Beside, the another important agenda on the table is, of course, on the life and health insurance. What industry has been pitching to exempt GST on the term policies of both life and health insurance. On life insurance, council is supposed to take a call on whether to fully exempt the life insurance premiums, and all on the health insurance they may give some exemption up to 5 lakh of policy for senior citizen, but that call GST Council has to take. Another important agenda point is the ATF. Again, the long-standing demand of industry and other stakeholders to bring ATF and other petroleum under the GST ambit, but tomorrow they are going to discuss this. However, we have not yet get a sense whether the council will take a call and bring ATF under the GST ambit. Important agenda also include how to sort of taxability clarity on the food delivery platforms like Swiggy and Zomato. GST Council may take a call on reducing it to 5% from current 18%. However, there is no clarity on the taxability on the 18%, and that's why all these food delivery platform have been receiving notices, so that clarity would come. Besides, there are also a used vehicle, including the electric vehicles. There's some clarity there that the tax rate would be increased to 18% from current 12%.